Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to put a mask on a video that we have by CapCut. So here I already have my CapCut open, and now please just click the new project and choose what video that we want to edit here. Okay, for me I want to edit this video. Okay, and after you choose it, just please click a add. And now I want to cover this hiring. I want to cover this hiring type here. So we can just go into the several features that we have on the CapCut. But first thing, we need to make the clip in active mode. And then after that, please scroll into the left side, the features of the CapCut here until we found a mask tools. Then please just click mask, and now we already have several masks that we can use here. We have split, film strips, circles, and many more. So to make it easier, I want to just click film strip, and then now we can adjusting the size. I want to cover it like right on the top writing, and then after that, since I want to covering the hiring, we just need to click invert to make it the black side cover the hiring. And then after that we finish, click done, and let's take a look. Right, so now we already have a mask on our video. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.